Welcome. Today we will learn how to create tables in Microsoft Office Publisher. Now, to insert tables, click on Table menu. Select Insert. Click on Table. This will open up Create Table window. Now select the number of rows and columns. Select the table format. You can fill the details. To resize the table, select it. Drag the corners. You can resize it accordingly. Select the cell where you need to add the row or column. Right click on the cell. Select Change Table. Insert. You can add columns to the left, to the right, rows above and rows below. For deleting a particular row or column, right click on the table, select Change Table, delete. Table, you can delete columns, rows. You can change the cell properties. You can change the color, the size, and line color. Select the table, right click on it, go to Format Table. This will show colors and lines, size, layout, and cell properties. Select the color you want to add to the table. Select the line color. Size. You can change the size of table. Layout. You can change the wrapping style, wrap text. Cell properties. You can change the vertical alignment. To rotate the text within auto shape by 90°, mark this box. So, we have learned how to create tables in Microsoft Office Publisher. Thank you.